Hello guys, what is the verb 3 form of this verb is? Cat. Verb 2? Cat. Verb 3? Cat. What is the verb form of these two verbs? Heart. Heart. Verb 3? Heart. What is the verb 2 and the verb 3 form of this verb is? Let. Let. Verb 3? Let. What is the verb 2 form of this verb is? Put. Put. Verb 3? Put. What is the verb form of this verb is? Verb 2 form of this verb is? Quit. Verb 2? Quit. Verb 3? Quit. What is the verb 2 form of this verb is? Read. Verb 2? It's not read. It is read. Read. And this one, verb 3, is read. Read, read, read. What is the verb 2 form of this verb? Set. Is set. Verb 3? Set it? No. Sets. What is the verb 2 form of this verb? Shed. Verb 2? Shed. Verb 3? Shed. What is the verb 2 form of this verb? Shut. Shut it? No. Just shut. Verb 3? Shut. What is the verb 2 form of this verb? Slate. Can say slate. And verb 3 is slate. We can sometimes like slide. These all three verbs are what? Their forms are the same. V2 and V3. Bye bye.